Hello and welcome. My name is Abu, and in this lecture, I'll teach you how to write comments in your HTML document. Comments are normally used for adding notes and explanations in your HTML document, and they are not displayed by the browsers. So sometimes you can also use comments to hide some of your HTML source codes from browsers. In order to create comments, we need to enclose the comment between the opening comment tag and the closing comment tag. The opening comment tag looks like this, starting with left angle bracket, followed by exclamation mark, dash, dash, and the closing comment tag looks like this, starting with dash, dash, and followed by right angle bracket. Okay, now let's try to write some comment. Here I opened up the HTML document of my demo web page. First, I'll try to write a note for this meta element as a comment. I'll start with left angle bracket and exclamation mark, dash, dash. Please do not remove this. Okay, after that, add one more note here as a comment. The end of head element. Okay, now I don't want to display this heading, so I'll just comment this out. In order to comment this out, I'll put the opening comment tag here and the closing comment tag here. Now this will not be displayed by the browsers. Okay, that is how you write comments in your HTML document. Thanks for watching, and if you have any question, please let me know in the comments below.